Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Zap application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Zap application to send the notifications to our watch. So we need to open the settings on our iPhone. In the settings, we need to scroll down to the list of applications. And on this list, we need to find the Zap application. So it's gonna be at the bottom because it's on Z. Tap on the Zap application, and here make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. Also tap on notifications and check if the allow notifications is enabled. It should be enabled. Once you enable the Bluetooth and notifications, you can go back, scroll up to the top of the settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see the list of my devices, and on it there should be Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. Tap on the info icon next to it, and here make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. It's flicked on. Once it is, we can close the settings, open the Zap application. In the app, we can tap on the profile icon, select our Amazfit Bip 3 Pro from the list of devices, and here we can tap on notifications and reminder. And right here we have a couple of types of notifications: incoming call, app alert, incoming SMS, and also incoming email. Basically, if you want to enable the alerts or notifications for the calls, you tap on incoming calls, and here you can enable it by tapping on the switch. And once you turn it on, you can also enable or disable the option to show the contact information. So the information on who's calling you will be displayed on the watch, and you can also enable the delay. So basically, if you enable this option and you get the first ring on your phone, the watch will wait for a certain time, and after the time passes, it will alert you on the watch. And you can set the delay from 3 to up to 30 seconds. Yes, from 3 to 30 seconds basically. So select the duration you like and then tap on OK. Okay, once you're done with the calls, you can go back and tap on the app alerts. So this is the notifications for the applications, and here you will see the list of applications, and you can enable and disable the notifications for specific applications. If you don't see the application you want to enable the notifications for on this list right here, you can scroll down and tap or rather enable the notifications for the other applications. Like this. You can also tap on more apps, and here you have even more apps, but as you can see, most of them are, I believe, some Chinese apps. I don't know, but you can also browse this list. Okay, so that's about the income or the app alerts, my bad. Next we have incoming SMS, and this is for the messages, and you can enable it by tapping on the switch, of course, like this. So now you should be able to receive the messages, or rather notifications about the messages on your watch. And the last one is incoming email, and here you can enable the notifications for emails. Okay. And once you're done customizing your notifications, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. Let me just check if we have it on our iPhone. We do. Okay. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. For some reason, we didn't get the notification on our iPhone. Let me try to reopen the Discord and close it. Like this. Also, maybe turn on and turn off the focus mode and try again. Oh, this time we got it. So we have the a message on our, or the notification on our iPhone, and also notification on our watch. And if you miss the notifications on your watch, you can also swipe up from the bottom of the screen on the home screen to open the notifications menu. And here you have the list of notifications. You can swipe left on them, tap on the bin icon to clear them, or tap on the notification, and here you can read it or clear it. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.